Hi, my name is Chris Turner. I'm the owner of Radical Transformation and also the course facilitator for the Lean Transformation training courses available through this website. In this short video, I would like to talk about step 8 of my 10-step training and implementation model, which is develop standard work. Now, the purpose of standard work is that as you've worked through all the different steps within the 10-step model, you've started to improve things and you've really made a big difference in the flow and control and how things are working within the organization. So you've developed what we call best practices. And what we do is we take those best practices and we document them and we convert them into what we call standard work documents. And this is just a short document that basically shows, a lot of it is pictures, about 80% is pictures, with some text that highlights specific requirements within each of the activities or product ranges that are being completed within the work area. The idea is that all new employees will be trained to that standard work, and also current employees will be audited against that standard work. And if it's a new document, obviously they'll be trained against it, but they'll be audited against it periodically, say every 2 weeks, every month, however the organization decides to do that, to really ensure that they're maintaining the best practices that were defined when that document was put together, because it's based on the best practices that will give you the best quality and the best throughput in terms of the output of numbers of what your expectations are for a particular process. Now, when an improvement comes along and somebody thinks up a better way of doing something, what you would do is then test it, trial it, and then if it works out, you would then update the standard work document to reflect that new methodology. Immediately then you would train everybody in the organization that is doing that particular job to that new standard work document. So anyway, hopefully this gives you a good overview of what step 8, develop standard work, is in the 10-step model. And hopefully one day I see you inside one of my Lean Transformation training courses. And until then, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.